In front of me is OPPO A12, and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store. If you are not logged in, you need to do it. Just provide email address or phone number. In my case, it will be email address. Tap on next. And now enter the password. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. Okay, so I must mistype it. Now it should be the proper one. Just let me click on next. Okay, so here we've got it. So once you provide both your email, phone number, and then password, you can read the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and privacy policy. Click on I agree to go further. And then tap on more, click on accept to confirm your selection of Google services. And that's it, you've just logged in with your Google account, and now you can smoothly open Google Play and Play Store, go to My Apps and Games, and under updates you will be able to see all apps that can be updated in this device. And here you've got all apps that can be updated. You can either update one particular app by tapping on update right next to its icon, or let me stop it, or you can update all, so all apps will be updated. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. You can call your friend, watch some movie. Smoothly you can turn this display off, and then you can check the progress over here. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easy update apps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.